Hello everybody. If you have a leak in your chainsaw fuel line or impulse line, you think there might be a pinhole leak or a crack, but you can't find it, what I like to do is just vacuum pressure test the line. It's really simple. Assuming you have a handheld vacuum pump, what I like to do is I just pressurize the line. I used to use a golf tee down here, but I found that the golf tee surfaces are not perfectly smooth, so in this case I use a ballpoint pen of the right diameter, and just a clear hose to adapt over to the hose size that I'm trying to test, and just pump up a vacuum on it. Let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes and see whether it's holding vacuum. That means there's no air leak. The other way I used to do it was we used to put a straw on the line, plug the end, and then submerge it in a jar of water and blow on the straw. See whether you got any air bubbles coming through. But if you happen to have a vacuum pump, this way works great. So that's my short tip for the day. These leaks can be really hard to find, and I found that this is the most effective way of making sure that the integrity of the hose is intact and not the cause of your chainsaw not running properly. So thanks for watching. That's my tip for the day. If you found it helpful or useful, how about giving me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. I might add that while this method will determine whether you have any small leaks in the hose itself, it will not help you identify leaks that are occurring at the ends. Ends could be at fault due to swelling, age, or deterioration. Thanks for watching. That's my tip for the day. If you found it helpful or useful, how about giving me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel.